Alright, so today on The Gunfather we're going to take a look at an unboxing video for a new handgun, just so you can see what to expect when you're buying a new handgun, so you can, make sure nothing's missing out of there. Alright, so first off you have the box. Depending on the company, this will either be cardboard or plastic, just depending on what they have. This is from Smith & Wesson. A lot of their guns now are coming into cardboard boxes. Some of them still do have a plastic hardshell case. It varies a lot. So I'm going to open this up, and then you will see the handgun here itself, wrapped up in plastic. They do that to make sure everything stays all nice and clean and rust-free while it's waiting for you. So when you get the gun, you're going to want to take a quick look at it, make sure that there's no rust or damage or anything like that. Try and get that on camera for you. So the barrel is still nice and greasy. They do that to protect it from anything during transport. You're going to want to clean everything off before you ever actually take it out and shoot it. The greases that they use are usually pretty good at stopping rust. They're not very good as lubricant. So once you have the gun out, you just want to do a quick function check. If there's any kind of external safety, make sure it locks into place nicely. Make sure it functions. And then for the rest of it, down in here, you've got your little trigger lock chain. Those come with just about every single brand new gun that you're ever going to find, so you always have a way to secure the gun. Then down below here you have your manual, warranty cards, things like that. I would suggest registering it in case there's ever a recall or something like that. That way the company can get a hold of you. Then in this section here you have your different grip modules, going from small, medium, large, and large. And then because this particular gun has a red dot cut in the slide, it also comes with different plates for mounting different optics to it. And then most of your new guns are going to come with at least 2 magazines. One is usually already in the gun. The other one will be stored somewhere in there. Different brands are going to vary on that. Some will give you 3 magazines, some just 1. If it's a budget brand like High Point or something like that. And then finally, you're just going to want to make sure you know how to take the gun apart. And just look over everything on here, make sure everything's all good. And you can see more of that lovely grease up in there. And if you see some little wear marks, like here on the rails, where it's cut through the bluing that they've done and it's down to bare metal a little bit, that's normal. That's one of the reasons we keep our guns lubricated, is to prevent any kind of excessive wear and tear on them. But something like that, that'll happen within just a few times of pulling the slide back. So something like that isn't really worrying. But if you see any points where the metal has, been dinged in, or there's rust or something like that, at that point you're going to either want to ask their clerk at the store for a different gun like that one, or else, if you don't notice it till later, you might want to bring it to a gunsmith to see if it's going to be an issue, or even send it back to the factory. Any gun store around should be able to help you with that process if you need it. But that's another reason why you would want to fill out the warranty card. Alright, well, good luck and happy shooting.